Your competitor spends $50,000 on marketing and you've got $50. Who wins? If you're watching this thinking, I know I need to market my business, but I barely have any budget, you're not alone. While big corporations throw around $1 million ad budgets, 63% of small businesses spend less than $1,000 annually on marketing. That's less than $3 a day, less than a cup of coffee, and yet they're expected to compete with companies that spend that much money every minute. Here's what most people believe. You need Super Bowl ad money to effectively market your business. You need thousands for Facebook ads, Google ads, fancy marketing agencies, or at least that $2,000 course from the latest marketing guru. But hold on, every marketing guru wants to sell you their system, their software, their secrets. We're hopefully about to destroy their business model with one free video because after helping thousands of entrepreneurs over 15 years, here's what we know. The businesses that thrive aren't the ones with the biggest budgets or the most expensive courses. They're the ones who work smarter, not harder. Why should you trust us? We've built our entire business on free resources, free tools, free articles, free guides, everything. And we've grown to become the go-to resource for business information. If free marketing works for us, it can work for you. Today, we're sharing 7 proven marketing tactics that cost little to nothing. And here's the best part. We've created a completely free worksheet that walks you through each one step by step. There's no email sign up. There's no gimmick. You can just download it from the link below and follow along. Oh, and we're launching this free web tool for marketing your small business. We've been working on it for a while. We're really proud of it, and it'll be up by the time this video comes out. It's like the worksheet, but even more interactive. You can track what you've done and what you've worked on, and it shows you what to tackle in the order of freest and easiest to hardest and costing money. The link is below, and you can find it and all our other free tools at business.truic.com. Let's get into it. Let's start with something 52% of small businesses are already using: social media marketing. Don't boo, don't boo. Here's where most people mess up. They think they need to be everywhere at once. And we just gotta say, that's wrong. You can pick one platform where your customers actually hang out, just one, and then show up consistently with content that actually helps them. Here's how this could work. Imagine a local bakery posting Instagram stories every single morning, showing their fresh bakes coming out of the oven, no fancy photography, just a phone, natural light, and that golden brown perfection. You can add a simple twist. Followers who share the story get entered to win a free pastry every Friday. The cost for you, maybe $5 worth of ingredients and labor, and the potential result, building real engagement and foot traffic. The key is this: don't sell, share, ask questions, show your process. Micro-influencers typically generate higher engagement rates of 3 to 7% compared to the 1 to 3% seen with macro-influencers. Why? Because they're a lot closer to real. Be real. If you want help choosing your platform and planning your content, our free worksheet includes a platform selection guide and a weekly content calendar template to get you started. But social media alone won't cut it, we know. The next tactic is what really separates thriving businesses from struggling ones: Google My Business and local SEO. This is it, the big one. If you only implement one thing from this video, make it this. Google My Business is completely free, and 75% of people judge the success of a business based on how their website looks or their web presence. But here's the thing, they have to find you first. When someone searches bakery near me or plumber in Detroit, Google shows local businesses first, most of the time. If you're not there, you're invisible. Here's how to fix that in 20 minutes. Claim your Google business profile. It's free. Add every piece of information: hours, photos, services. Get your first reviews. You can ask your best customers. And post updates weekly. Yes, you can post on Google. People spend 50% more with businesses that regularly respond to reviews. Think about that. Just by responding to reviews, which could take you just 2 minutes in your bathroom breaks, you can increase customer spending by half. Here's what's possible. A landscaping company could go from buried on page 5 to the top 3 local results in just 2 months, not with ads, no SEO agency, just consistent Google My Business optimization. That kind of visibility can double your calls. We've included a complete 20-minute Google My Business setup checklist in the free worksheet, plus templates for requesting reviews from customers. Speaking of doubling results, our next tactic turns your happiest customers into your sales team, you might know what's coming: local partnerships and networking. Remember when we said competing with big budgets requires working smarter? This is what we mean. Find businesses that serve your ideal customer but don't compete with you. Then partner up. Picture it this way: a home cleaning service can partner with a local realtor. The realtor's clients get 20% off their first cleaning, and in return, the cleaning service gets introduced to every new homeowner. Cost, $0, or maybe the cost to print some business cards. Potential impact, 15 to 20 new recurring clients per month, depending on the housing market. Another approach, you can join your local chamber of commerce or BNI group. Yes, there's usually a membership fee, but the events category that saw the highest growth in marketing spend because in-person networking works. The math is simple. If a $200 annual membership to something gets you even 2 new customers, you're probably already ahead. Most members report 10 to 20 times returns. Not sure who to partner with? The worksheet includes a partnership brainstorming section where you can identify 5 potential partners and even has a partnership pitch template to help you reach out. But here's an even more powerful way to multiply your customer base: referral incentives. Your happy customers want to help you. Trust me, I've been that happy customer a lot of times. They just need a reason to remember. A simple referral program works. Bring a friend, you both save $10. That's it. No complicated tracking systems. You don't need an app. Here's an illustration of how powerful this can be. A fitness studio can offer members a free class when they bring a friend. That friend gets their first class free too. And this kind of program can grow membership by 70% in 6 months. The marketing cost, what every free class costs when your instructor is already there. 93% of people read online reviews before making a purchase, but personal recommendations are even more powerful. Just make it easy. Give them business cards to hand out. Create a simple referral code. Some businesses even print bring a friend coupons right on receipts. The worksheet has a complete referral program design template. It'll help you figure out your offer, create tracking systems, and even includes example referral card text you can customize. Now, let's talk about the marketing channel with the highest ROI that most small businesses ignore. Email marketing. I know what you're thinking. Email? In 2025, haven't we been there? Listen to this. 64% of small businesses say they use email marketing to reach their ideal customers. Why? Because it does work. Most email platforms have free tiers: MailChimp, MooSend, Sender, all free for your first 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Here's the simple formula. Collect emails. You can do a sign-up sheet at checkout, a website pop-up, join for 10% off. Send one valuable email monthly. Make it fun. I don't know. Include one clear call to action. Imagine a pet groomer sending monthly emails with seasonal pet care tips. At the bottom, book your puppy's summer cut, reply to this email, and this approach can book 20 plus appointments from each email. The cost is usually free. The secret is that 82% of businesses keep their subject lines under 60 characters, keep it short, make it valuable, and they'll open it. If you want email templates that actually work, you can find them all over, but the worksheet does include a monthly email template, subject line formulas, and list building strategies that don't feel pushy. But if you really want to establish yourself as the go-to expert in your field, content marketing. You don't need a fancy blog. You don't need these fancy cameras. You need to answer your customers' questions where they're already looking. What are the 5 questions every new customer asks? Write the answers. Post them on your website, LinkedIn, or even Facebook. Google prioritizes high-quality content that best answers the questions its users are asking. Be the answer. For example, an accountant could write 5 tax deductions small business owners always miss. We're doing a tax deduction video soon. Post it on LinkedIn, share it in local Facebook groups. That single article could bring in 3 to 5 new clients every tax season. The time to write it, 2 hours. Revenue generated, thousands potentially. Pro tip, turn a successful webinar into a video tutorial. Transform a group of related blog posts or other content from your site into an ebook. One piece of content can become 5. The worksheet includes a content ideas generator that helps you identify your customers' top questions and shows you how to turn one idea into multiple pieces of content. Now, for our final tactic, the one that breaks all the rules. Guerrilla marketing. This is where creativity beats budget every single time. Guerrilla marketing emphasizes creativity over budget, and strategies are often cheap and easy to implement. You are going to need to be creative. You are going to need to think about what's going to work for your business. You can picture this one as an example, a pressure washing company using sidewalk chalk. Every morning they write, "We should clean this," or "Clean me," with an arrow pointing to a dirty storefront. The cost, maybe $5 for chalk. Potential new clients that month, 2 to 15, or consider a yoga studio holding free classes in the park. Actually, we do this in my neighborhood all the time. Participants can get a coupon for 50% off their first month. The investment, 2 hours of instruction time. It's not free, but the potential return is 30 or more new members over the year, over the month. That can go a long way, especially for something that's relatively free. The principle is simple. Go where your customers are. Do something unexpected. Make them smile. If you want help brainstorming your own guerrilla tactics, the worksheet does have a section dedicated to low-cost, high-impact ideas customized for different business types, but you should sit down and you should journal that one. Avoiding the money pits. Quick warning, don't waste money on buying followers. They don't buy from you. Print ads without tracking. You can't measure ROI. Expensive tools, when free ones work fine. Focus on what's measurable, trackable, and directly connected to your customers. Here's the truth. Despite economic challenges, nearly half, 49% of small businesses say they are planning to increase their marketing budgets in 2025 because they have to. But you don't need to wait until you have more money. You can pick one tactic from this list, just one, try it this week or this month, because the best marketing isn't about spending more, it's about connecting better. Remember that free worksheet we mentioned? It's got everything, a 30-day action plan, ROI tracking templates, and step-by-step guides for each tactic. Completely free, no email required. I'll stop bothering you. You can just click the link below and download it. We take the time to create these because we believe every entrepreneur deserves the tools to succeed, not just the ones with big budgets. And if this helped you, share it with another small business owner who needs to hear this. We're all in this together, for better or for worse. Remember, every big business started small, and the difference, they started. Now, go make it happen. We'll see you in the next one.